Hey guys, so I wanted to go over the morning trade that I took and then one of the trades that I missed. Both I thought were quality setups, but in my morning trade plan, I specifically wrote that I wanted to be aggressive with my TPs today as well as my trailing stop. I normally don't do that, but given the day before FOMC, and a high probability for chop or whippy action and that kind of thing. I thought that was probably the best kind of mindset going into today, which ultimately we ended up getting after the morning dump. This was just a complete mess, and if you try to trade this like kind of in either direction, it's just yeah, it was a futile attempt. So, anyways, let's get into it. So. My level going into the morning, I guess you would call it the sort of line in the sand or bull bear line, would probably be right around this 6,700 level to probably not 67, sorry, 5,700 to about maybe 56.95 area. And so I wanted to see this hold initially and kind of rotate back up to this prior day high. But once we saw this aggressive sell right here, I'll go over sort of the first trade that I saw that I really wanted to take, but given the nature of the day being before FOMC and sort of this the timing of when this happened, I felt like it was a little too early for me and moved a little too fast. But it was a great risk to reward trade. So after we get this dump and it's a clear displacement down right here, when we start kind of I see this bar. I'm basically looking to see how we react here. And honestly, I wanted to limit in right here with a stop essentially being maybe not here, but certainly right around here to here. And so once it tags, just barely gets into this, gap, it just dumps immediately. So this was without a doubt the fastest, easiest trade of the day, and boom, you're done within 15 minutes of market open. I didn't catch this, and then I flipped to basically I was on the 30 minute as usual, and I'm watching sort of this action develop, and and the entry that I got, I thought was a really good entry. It also reacted, right away with pretty much no drawdown whatsoever. So it was on this candle right here. So the places I was looking to enter was essentially right here and right, I want to say right here. Um, I was a little hesitant getting in right here, although this would have been good and this would have been good. But I ultimately got in over here with a possible re-add right around here in this gap, and then stop essentially right above it. A very, very tight risk. And then I wanted to take off. Essentially, I really wanted to take off all of it right here, which is about let's say 10 points, which is my normal first TP. But again, being before FOMC, I essentially took off, half here and then half here and then, well, yeah, half here, and then pretty much a runner over here, not wanting to stick around. And that was pretty much my day. The rest, as you can see, was a mess. And now in the overnight, we're sort of, ripping. We'll see what tomorrow brings, but that's a wrap for today.